Winter weather often means foggy or frost-covered front windshields. But clearing the windshield in your Hyundai is easy. On vehicles with manual climate control, turn the fan speed to high. Then turn the temperature to the highest setting. If you have dial controls for mode, turn the dial to the front windshield defrost position. If you have button controls for mode, press the windshield defrost button. On vehicles with automatic climate control, turn the temperature to a high setting, then press the windshield defrost button. The fan speed will automatically increase to blow air quickly at the windshield. You can also adjust the speed manually. Once the windshield is clear of frost and condensation, you can press Auto to return the climate control system to Auto mode. Some Hyundai models are equipped with the Auto Defog system. This can automatically activate the climate control system to prevent the windshield from fogging. To enable the system, select Setup, then Vehicle, then Climate, then Defog Defrost options. Select Auto Defog to enable the system. For both manual and automatic climate controls, the air conditioner will automatically turn on anytime defrost is selected. This does not cool the air. Instead, it removes moisture from the air to keep the windshield clear of condensation. For the same reason, the vehicle will automatically switch to fresh air intake instead of recirculated air. For the manual and automatic climate control systems, you can direct the air to both the windshield and the floor if desired. This can help keep the windshield clear and maintain your comfort. On very cold days, it may take several minutes for the vehicle to warm up and the defogging defrost action to begin. This is normal. For vehicles with manual climate control, allow some time for the engine to warm up before attempting to defrost the windshield. Vehicles with automatic climate control will automatically adjust the fan speed as the engine comes up to temperature. On days when it's raining and you've gotten into the vehicle with wet clothing, the windows may begin to fog up due to the increased humidity inside the vehicle. Be certain to use defrost as needed and keep the air conditioner and fresh air intake on when not in defrost mode to help reduce humidity in the vehicle. Cleaning the inside and outside of your windows regularly is a great way to cut down on glass fogging, as it reduces the ability of moisture to stick to the glass. And as always, be sure not to drive until your windshield is completely clear. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.